Increased visibility, filled with German high-purity xenon gas, 35W brings 300% brightness of 65W halogen bulbs. Even when traveling in the suburbs at night, it can clearly illuminate road signs or animals to avoid danger in time. Bright as diamond, 6000K color temperature design show about 10% blue under the effect of luminescence factor, which is cleaner and brighter than the traditional 4300K dim yellow. The vision of driving at night is clearer. Safer driving, equipped with a precise positioning ring so that the bulb is in the best position in the reflective bowl. The bulb reaches its brightest level after a few seconds of lighting. Please confirm your car is HID assembly to avoid unable installation. Replacement frequency, lower. IP67 aluminum shell prevents rain and snow from infiltrating cause bulb short circuit and isolates the heat from the engine in case burning out. There is no need to replace it again.
Plug and play. One size specification, without any circuit modification, simple installation steps. Even your wife can easily replace it at home. Warm tips. 85% of cars that use HID bulbs also have halogen versions. Please double-check your car using HID bulbs.